Hey, Darren Campbell with Confident Home Solutions, licensed general contractor, remodeler in North Carolina. California drywall patches. You want to learn how to do it? All right, we got the tools, I got the knowledge, I'm going to share some. Let's get this thing done. All right, so you want to know how to do a California patch. This is basically what it is. We are replacing this drywall with another piece of drywall that has a lip on it. Let's do it. You need a hole saw. The hole saw needs to match the diameter. We roughly have 2.5, 2 3/4. Bam, 3-inch hole saw. Let's lock up on this thing. Other people will show you that you need to make this template and all that. Well, you can, but the pros wouldn't do it. They're gonna lock this thing down. They're gonna put it in reverse. Let's go to town. All right, so here we go. We got our piece of scrap drywall. I've already cut this. I wanted approximately 1.5 inches or so wider on each side. And let's do it. Got the hole saw. We already drilled this out to 3-inch. So we're gonna come up here. We're gonna give ourselves roughly 1.5 inches all the way around. Now I'm drilling on top of this finished drywall for demonstration purposes, but I would never do that. All right. So roughly I have the same there. All right. We're gonna come here and we're gonna score it. Snap that, work it off. We're going to need to do relief scores. There again, I would not be doing this on a finished wall, but just the fact that this is a demonstration wall, it should be done. So I'm not doing all these goofy little cuts. All right. Sorry, emergency. Lost my knife. You want to make sure the back of this is real clean, good and clean. Get rid of those couple little okay, that's it. I know it's going to be perfect, and it is. All right, this is something I think that really needs to be done is back buttering the plug. Now this ain't back buttering, I'm just mudding it, getting ready. This mud needs to be fairly loose. That is a must. You would never use the mud out of the can the way it comes for this. It needs to be loosened up quite a bit more. Joint compound is what we're referring to. All right, so we're going to want to back butter that plug. Oh, look at that. All right, what that'll do is it'll make this plug become one all the way around there. Also, the blistering around here, it'll help alleviate that. Send that thing home. Clean the knife off. You see me push it in, and I'm probably gonna leave that alone for right now, but you could hit it with a larger knife. Go ahead and start feathering it out, but I probably would let that set for probably 12 hours or what have you. Put my second coat on, let it set some, and do my third coat. But you could go ahead and coat it with a larger knife right now. Go ahead and span that out. But if I put this on, if I'm at the job, I'm typically going to put that on first thing in the morning. Before I leave that afternoon, I'm going to go ahead and put my second coat on, and the following day I'll be able to do my third coat. So there it is. All right, let me point out a couple things. One is California doesn't have everything. We got a couple things in North Carolina of our own. Bam, what do you think of that? I'm not sure yet, but it is what it is, and we have it. Hole saws. Okay, so just be forewarned that 3-inch and larger, they can be a bit of a chore to hold on to. Lock that thing into your body, tip it in really lightly into the drywall, rock it in, bam. You won't have any problems. If you do it like a pro, don't do it. Let me readjust. Let's not be doing the hole saw way out here, because you're going to be everywhere, and next thing you know, you're going to be in the ER. We're not going to do that. We're going to lock it in. You're like, oh, it's so close to me, I don't want to do that. Well, trust me, it doesn't work that way. So, drywall. This 1/2-inch drywall. The patch is blind to the matter of what size, thickness of patch that's going in it. You can use 1/4, 3/8, 1/2-inch, 3/4, or 5/8, 3/4. It doesn't matter. And for that matter, you can have 3/4-inch drywall and put a 1/2-inch patch in. Lowe's and Home Depot, at least as of 2020, they sell 2x2 square pieces of drywall. Yeah, I hope that covered this. I just wanted to do a quick video as to how the California patch is done, and if you have any additional questions, hit me up in the comments. I'll bust out some truth to you. All right.